it's your girl Krissy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I know I was so extra over the top, but today's video, you guys, I am actually going to be doing another Miss A video, okay? So, like, literally, I did this video, like, about maybe some months ago, I don't know, but I was tagging up here above, you guys. In the video, you guys show so much love to your girl on that video that I had to do another one, you guys. So recently they came out with some new products, and of course your girl went and picked them out so I can try them for you guys. So for today's video, before we get to today's video, you guys, make sure you guys go right now, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. So let's go heading into the video, guys. So I wanted to show you exactly what I actually picked up from Shop Miss A. I did get more other products, but it's going to be for a giveaway that I'm going to be running here soon. So you guys stay tuned for that giveaway because I'm going to be doing it on my channel. Okay, you guys, so I picked up a kabuki brush. I don't know how it is. Everything was $1 except for this here. I also picked up a nice powder brush. This is supposed to be like their more upscale brand, I guess, or on their website. I'm not really sure. I got two of these beauty blenders. I have a black one I'm going to use in today's video. This is a blender holder. These are some nice glow shimmeries for the face and for the body. I picked up two of the mascaras in like this pretty green and blue. I picked up some of the lip balms. I've never tried it, y'all. None of this stuff I've never tried. So they also had a sugar scrub, a blue eyeliner, a brow liner, and then we also have a under eyeliner, yeah. So anyway, this is for your brow, this is for your eyes. And then also, you guys, they have some of these cute diamond powder shimmers. I had to pick them up. So you pretty much, I'm gonna tear this open, y'all. You pretty much get 12 in here, and they're just cute little shimmers that you can put on your eyes, or you want to throw it on your body, I guess, if you want to. I would personally put it on my eyes and not on my body, okay, because it was only $1. So you guys, let me just say this, all of their items are vegan and cruelty free, or else sis would not be trying them. I'm gonna be honest, because for $1, you just don't know how that stuff's gonna react onto your face. I could be breaking out, I could do whatever, and I'm not trying to have that. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the eyeliner, you guys. I've already like primed my face and my brows. So initially I was gonna do my brows with this pencil here that I got from them, but I've already done them, so we're gonna bypass this one. We're gonna use the blue eyeliner to do like a nice winged eye on the eye. I've already kind of do my concealer, my concealer and my orange corrector at the eye already, so we're gonna, you know, squash that. So let's go ahead and get to the blue eyeliner, you guys. This is what it looks like. This is the tip of the actual liner. It almost looks purple, you guys, but it's blue. Nice blue. And so right now I'm going to actually do a nice like winged eye, add on some lashes, and then we're going to move on to the next item that I do So here's the actual eyeliner, if you guys could see it through my actual lashes. I've already applied my lashes, y'all, so we ain't playing around here, but I did want to swatch this on the palm of my hand, on the back of my hand, so that way you guys can actually see the color. Now as far as this actually isn't so bad. I would say that if you apply this, you just make sure you wipe it off with an actual makeup wipe remover, because it's a little hard to get off on the eyes. So but this is the color, you guys, right here. And for it to be $1, you guys, it honestly is not bad at all. Like I said, take a makeup wiper and just wipe it off, and then it's just off of your hand. So pretty simple, you guys. We're gonna move on now into this lip scrub. Now, I really never use lip scrubs. I don't really have dry lips like that, but I have noticed that when it does get cold outside, my lips start to get like a little, you know, pilly and like just ugh. So this can come in handy. This is the Lips Sugar Scrub, you guys. So it looks like it was $1. Again, it is cruelty and vegan free, so you know, you just never know what you're getting. Let's smell it. The smell of it is like a baby doll, almost like. So we're gonna put it on our lips real quick. Oh, and it's actually, oh my gosh, you guys, it's like freaking pink. We're gonna put it on our lips. Just a little. It has sugar crystals. I can feel it up against my lip, you guys. I can feel it, like, legitimately. And we're just gonna scrub. The smell of it, you guys, it actually smells like rose, like a fresh rose. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and my lips do feel softer. And what I like about the sugar scrub, you guys, is that it's not like, I don't taste it afterwards. You know, because it's only $1. You know, sometimes you can taste certain things after you use cheaper products. This I don't taste on my lip at all. It did make my lips smoother. So I think this could be a good product for somebody. If you're looking for an inexpensive, cheap, you know, lip scrub, I mean, hey, go for it. They had different flavors as well. This is the rose flavor, you guys. So yeah, it's called rose. That's why it smells like rose. But they have mint. They had other flavors, cherry, I want to say. So definitely head over to the website, you guys, and check it out because it's not bad. Especially if you have dry lips and you have pilly. Wintertime is coming, you guys. If you're somewhere where it has snow or cold degrees, you guys need to have some lip scrub for your lips to keep them hydrated and nice and smooth. So, hey, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. So you guys know that I wanted to test out the beauty blenders. Now I got a total of 3 beauty blenders, you guys, but I'm actually keeping some of them to go for a giveaway. So here's the black one that I'm actually going to be using for today. I do have my foundation I'm going to use today, which is the Morphe 440. I will tag everything down below, you guys, that's in this video. Everything that I use on my face as well, to tag below. And then we're just going to squeeze some of that on here. I do like the touch of the beauty blender. It feels like one that I have already. I love the point there because when I go to do my highlight with the powder, it just gives like a nice, it has like a nice point to it. So it'll give me like a nice little, you know, blend out or, you know, pat out, whatever you want to call it. Let's go ahead and add a foundation to the face. I really am looking to see if this is really going to absorb a lot of my foundation since it is $1. It is a cheaper, you know, beauty blender. If this is going to take up a lot of the product instead of putting it on my face. And I did dampen this, you guys, and then I also patted it out with a towel and a washcloth, a dry washcloth. And I can tell you guys, this is giving me a nice blend out. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna move into the actual mascara. So I have blue here, and then I also have green. They were both $1, if you can see. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and go with the blue, you guys. I wanted to do the green because I feel like the green would kind of match my outfit, but since I have a blue winged eye, I'm gonna do the blue. I'm honestly just gonna put it at the bottom of my lashes. I'm not gonna use it on my actual falsies that I have on my face right now because that's not gonna look right first and foremost. But just to test it out to actually see if it really pulls off some color from this at all. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys, outside of it. It has Wisp, I don't know what that means, but enhancing mascara. So it's supposed to be like a nice, like, cool, and that's the color of it, you guys. It looks purple, but it's so blue, I promise. This is what it looks like, you guys. I'm just gonna put some underneath my lashes. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like with the blue up underneath the eye. It actually looks really pretty on the lashes, you guys. It looks really, really gorgeous. And it gives off some rich color. It really, really does. So let's go ahead and move on into the lip, you guys. So this is the lip balms, you guys, like literally. So I have strawberry and then I have watermelon. They both were $1. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna try strawberry, you guys. I love strawberry. I love watermelon too, but strawberry, yeah, it's always good. And this is supposed to be a hydrating balm that helps soothe chapped lips and the skin. Dense texture of the balm helps seal the moisture in all day long. So it says you can dab a small amount of balm directly to dry lips, elbows, knees, cuticles to condition. What? Why would I put this on my freaking knees, you guys? Like, that is so crazy to me if it's a lip balm. Okay, let's give it a smell. It smells like strawberry. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It's a little watery, I'm gonna be honest. It's watery. It doesn't even have the consistency of Vaseline. So for the next product that I'm actually going to test out on my cheeks is going to be the highlight. So this highlight collection that they have was actually $5.55. It has different shades of actual like highlights, different colors like gold and rose gold and a deep, you know, so whatever. We're going to go ahead and test some of these out, you guys. I'm actually going to use the kabuki brush to actually put this on me right now. And so this is what the brush looks like, you guys. And it feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. It's not too stiff and it's not too loose of a brush. So, but just to kind of brush on like glitter and stuff onto your body, I think it'll be good for that. All right, you guys. So, okay, so this is actually, let's see, use these babies all over your face and your body for a beautiful, vibrant glow, or a mix and tiny bit into your lotion or foundation for the ultimate glow. I will not be putting this into our foundation first and foremost, but I will test it out on my arm, you guys, for you guys to see. So I'm going to use this one. This one is called Golden Dream. And then we have Golden Rose. So more like that rose gold tone, you guys. We have the Afterglow. We have Morning Glow. And then the last one, you guys, is going to be Goddess. This is the Goddess. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna put Golden Dream on our hand, in the back of my hand, just a little bit, you guys. Just a little bit. And I'm actually gonna take the kabuki brush, and I'm actually going to like blend it out into my hand to see how it's going to look. And I'm gonna show you guys. So this is me blending this in. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. Honestly, you guys, for $1, that is not bad at all. It has so much shimmer to that. That's not bad at all. That's really not that bad. Let me test some, you guys, and put it on my cheeks to see how it is. I'm actually gonna go back in with that just to see how it does on the actual cheeks. On the cheeks, you guys, it's not too bad. It has like a nice little glow to it. So for it to only be about like $1.55 per thing, I mean, that's pretty darn good. All right, you guys, so I wanted to show you guys the actual beauty blender holder. This is what it looks like here. And I'm gonna open it up to show you guys exactly what it looks like and how it actually, to put the beauty blender on the inside of it. This is what it looks like, you guys. So you would actually take your beauty blender and you would just sit it on the inside of that. So if you have like a vanity at home, this would be perfect for it. They came in like different colors and different styles and everything like that too, and this is only for $1 as well. All right, you guys, so the next item that I got was this brush. It was a powder brush. I didn't use it, but I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay, this is a powder brush, you guys. Now with this brush here, it's a little flimsy to me. I like my brushes to be a little bit more stiff, but just to brush on powder, I mean, for $1, it could be a brush just for traveling or something. I mean, I don't know if I would use this. Yeah, it's a little bit too flimsy for me, but a brush just to use, to have into your makeup bag. Travel with, so you can take your good brushes. It's probably a good thing for you to have in your Alright, you guys, so my last thing that I got from Miss A, okay, was these little cute glitters, okay? Now, if I was doing a makeup look, you guys, like a full, like, makeup look, I would have utilized these, but I'm not. So, this is what it looks like, you guys. And there's, like, a variety of different colors. Oh, my gosh, there's so many colors, you guys. So many. So many. So, I'm going to test one out on my hand, you guys, just to kind of show you what it looks like. Alright, you guys, so this is what the glitter looks like. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. If you were doing like a makeup look and you did a cut crease, this would look so gorgeous. Ooh, look how it just picks up on the hand. You guys, this is going to be gorgeous on a makeup look. Oh my gosh, like, I'm all for glitter, and yeah, look at that. You guys, that is absolutely gorgeous. I don't remember how much this was right off the bat, you guys, but everything that I have in the video, I would tag down below because these are so gorgeous. These are fab. I'm telling y'all, like, on a nice makeup look, oh, that would be so fire. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. That makes me so much more excited to actually test this out onto my eye one day. All right, you guys, so that concludes today's video. If you guys love this video, drop it down below in my comments below. I will make sure to do another one similar to this one or just like it, okay? And also, if you have not yet subscribed to your girl's channel, make sure you guys go right now, hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload the videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.